In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a board in Monday.com. Even though Monday.com no longer has a direct print button for boards, there's still a simple workaround that lets you print all of your information clearly and neatly. I'll walk you through it step by step, and by the end you'll be able to get a clean, printable version of any board you're working on. First, start by opening Monday.com and selecting the board you want to print. This can be any board in your workspace, such as your project tracker, content calendar, or task list. Make sure you're in the main board view you want to appear on the printout, because whatever you see on the screen is essentially what will be exported later. Once your board is open, move your mouse to the top right corner of the screen. There you'll see a button with 3 vertical dots, sometimes called the More Options or Ellipsis menu. Click on those 3 dots to open a drop-down menu with additional board actions. In this menu, look for the option called More Actions. Hover over or click on it to expand the additional choices. Since the direct print option has been removed from Monday.com, what we're going to do instead is export the board to Excel. So, from the expanded list, click on Export Board to Excel. This tells Monday.com to generate a spreadsheet version of your board that you can then print like any other document. After you select Export Board to Excel, a small window or confirmation box will appear. In this box, you may see options related to what exactly you want to include in the export, such as which columns or rows. Click the checkbox shown there to confirm your selection. This step ensures that the content you need is included in the file that will be created. Next, click on the Export button. Monday.com will now prepare your file. Depending on the size of your board, this might take a few moments. Once the export is ready, the Excel file will be downloaded to your computer. From here, simply open the downloaded Excel file. Review the layout to make sure everything looks the way you want. You can adjust column widths, hide unnecessary columns, or format the text for better readability. When you're satisfied, go to your spreadsheet program's print menu and print the file like you normally would. And that's how you print a board from Monday.com using